We will be talking about segmenting and blending sounds. And these skills are very important to beginner readers. They have to be audibly be able to hear the sounds and blend it in order to read, and hear a word, be able to segment the sound in order to spell words. So all of these things are done audibly. That means they do not look at phonogram, which is the letters and sound that we're going to learn during this whole process, as well as they're learning to hear these sounds by ears, because we want to train their ears and attend to the one task of being able to blend the sounds together and separating the sounds. So we're going to go into details about segmenting and blending and how you can help especially the struggling students, because they don't attend to those sounds. And so they start making up sounds and blending the wrong sound, reading the wrong word. Okay, let's get started. So in segmenting, we actually take a word that we hear and separate it into individual sounds. And this skill helps students to spell words. We normally help them segment two sounds. So we normally start with words that only have vowel and consonant, which makes it easy for them. And once they can attend to two sounds, then we teach them how to segment three sounds. That is consonant, vowel, consonant. But the thing is, it is hard for them to hear the vowel sounds. So what we do in the beginning is to stretch out those sounds to help them slow down so they can hear the vowel sounds, because the vowels are the hardest to hear. And we also use nonsense words, because we don't want students to memorize words and just start memorizing how to segment. We really want them to attend to those sounds and be able to segment those sounds correctly. So we're going to do some examples. You have a list of the words. They will not see the words because we want them to attend to the sounds and just to focus on the sounds and nothing else. We're going to segment the word og, but first you're going to say it 2 times. Og. Say it again. Og. Now slow it down and give me each sound. Og. Good job. The next word is ak. Say it. Ak. Say it again. Ak. Now we're going to segment the word ak. Ak. Good job. The next word is gad. Gad. Say it again. Gad. We're going to segment the word gad. G. A. D. Good job. Blending is when you blend the individual sounds together in order to read. We also use nonsense words so that we make sure the students are attending to the sound and blending the sounds and not memorizing sounds. And we also start out with 2 sounds, and then we increase to 3, and then 4 and 5. But normally we do 2 until they are trained to be able to blend those 2 sounds together to read, and 3 sounds. And remember, we're doing this auditory, so they do not get to see the word at all, because we really want them to tend to the sound. That's important. We're going to blend sounds to make words. These are nonsense words. I need you to listen very carefully to the sound and then blend them by singing in order to get to the word at the end. The first word is og. Say it again. Og. Now blend it. Og. Good job. The next word is ak. Say the sound again. Ak. Now sing it. Ak. Yes, the word is ak. The next word is gad. One One more time. G-A-D. Sing it. G-A-D. Gad. Good job. Thank you for taking the time to learn these skills in order to help our young voyagers at our school. You are a blessing to us. Have a fabulous day.